Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your girl, Star Flames, and we're back with another video. Now, guys, yesterday we did a video talking about Sean Diddy Combs and his right-hand man, or woman, should I say, in this case, Christina Karam, who celebrated a small legal victory against Tyrone Blackburn and Lil Rod. As you guys can remember, Lil Rod has retained Tyrone Blackburn in a lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs. And in the lawsuit, he basically accused Sean Diddy Combs of RICO connections, sexual assault, and he also named Lucian Grange, Universal Music Group, as well as another record label. However, Judge J. Paul Otkin criticized Blackburn's conduct, describing it as unsettling and shocking. The judge pointed out that Blackburn's filings were filled with legal inaccuracies, baseless accusations, and inappropriate personal attacks on opposing counsel. He also rejected Blackburn's claim that Diddy and his associates were presumed guilty of being a part of a RICO criminal organization, calling it an absurd understanding of the law. The judge warned Blackburn that further misconduct could lead to sanctions or even a referral to the court disciplinary committee. And you guys know that this is not the first time Tyrone Blackburn has been warned. He has been doing this a lot, and this is what he's infamously known for, to file salacious lawsuit and to tell lies in the lawsuit, also filing them inappropriately to avoid legal sanctions, which I don't think he can avoid any more after this, because he has gotten away with so much at this point in time. He even triggered an investigation against Lucian Grange, and that's why they're saying, there's not even a shred of evidence suggesting RICO, and hence why the judge yesterday in the ruling said that the RICO allegations will be dismissed from the case. But let's get into this court document. The court document says, in light of this, because the judge is warning him, the judge is letting him know what allegations will go forward and what will not go forward. The sexual assault is going to go forward, and the judge is warning him no. So it says, in light of this, the court finds much of Blackburn conduct regarding defendant's motion to dismiss to be unsettling. Blackburn's filing are replete with inaccurate statements of law, conclusory accusation, and inappropriate ad hominem attacks on opposing counsel. For example, in urging the court to consider a grand jury indictment of Combs on related criminal charges, Blackburn writes, as evidenced by U.S. Attorney Williams' press conference and the grand jury indictment, defendant Sean Combs and the Combs RICO enterprise are presumed guilty of being RICO criminal organization, that any licensed member of the bar would expose such an absurd understanding of the law is not just disturbing, but shocking. Then, rather than focusing on the claims pleaded in this lawsuit, Blackburn writes that it is evident from the multiple civil lawsuits and 14-page indictment the kind of ex-deviant monster Sean Combs is. Both the operative complaint and Blackburn's opposition brief are full of similar irrelevant insults, misstatements, and exaggeration. In response to defense counsel's understandable objection, Blackburn hurls schoolyard taunts at them, writing that it is clear that defense counsel are obsessed with me, and although initially flattering, their obsession has become creepy. So the judge is saying, how dare you make such a statement without any such evidence? And if you do this again, you best believe you're not going to get away with it. You're going to face sanctions, and if not, you're going to be brought before the committee of grievance, because if it's not sanctions, then more than likely he's going to lose his license. But I don't think that Tyrone Blackburn is going to stop doing this, because he has done it so often. He is a creature of bad habit, and this bad habit is going to definitely cost him, and it should cost him. I don't know why is it that they're allowing him to get away with so much. I think it is just far too much at this point in time. But I want to hear from you guys. What's your take? Because some of the allegations that he brought in front of of the court. It has been dismissed. The exfil claims will move forward, and the court is warning him, stop making salacious nonsense schoolyard claims in your lawsuit, because what attorney who is licensed to practice would do such a thing? This is horrible. Leave a comment below. I want to hear from you guys. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and we're going to talk some more in the comment section. Peace.